Friends, welcome on the Bold Topics and I am Anand Main. Kejriwal chose Prashant Kishore's footsteps in Bihar. It is impossible for any third party other than NDA and Mahagathbandhan to survive in Bihar. In the last 20 years, BJP has been successful in many states, but in Bihar, it is not able to move a leaf due to the fear that Lalu Yadav party may get votes. Attacking Lalu is less of desire and more of a compulsion for BJP. But Prashant Kishore has been digging the ground here for the third option since 2 years. But it is like a mountain to find a mouse. And Fatero will Kejriwal hit in 2 days. But yes, he will definitely couch, damn it. He has faith in his model, the Delhi model, and it is also true that without the Delhi model, BJP's 30 years of happiness in power in Delhi will not end. Purvanchal, that is Bihar UP, had made Kejriwal the king in Delhi. Now he is trying to make his magic work in Bihar. For this, the campaign that he has started, the Padayatra that he has started, Kejriwal's public relations, he has done it from Kishanganj. If you talk about Kishanganj, it comes in Simhanchal and is Muslim dominated. In such a situation, Kejriwal's symbol is Tejaswi Yadav because Muslim voters are a part of Tejaswi's support base. Along with this, in the last election, Simhanchal gave a shock to Tejaswi, the hope of taking advantage of which has also arisen in Kejriwal's mind because in Simhanchal, except Tejaswi, 5 MLAs of Hyderabad's Asaduddin Owaisi party AIMIM won. This time initially he showed a lot of anger against the Rashtriya Janata Dal, but now he is hoping for an electoral alliance with Tejaswi. In the Delhi election, Congress was against you while Samajwadi and Trinamool that is Akhilesh and Mamata openly supported Kejriwal. Now Kejriwal has announced to field candidates on 243 seats in Bihar. It is also believed that somewhere because of Kishanganj, Rashtriya Janata Dal could not come to power. Although BJP emerged as the largest party, the Mahagathbandhan had to shrink in front of NDA. He could not become CM due to being behind by just 12,000 votes, in which Owaisi 5 MLAs played a big role. Although Tejaswi shares good relation with Congress and Samajwadi party and also with Mamata. But in the case of Kejriwal, Tejaswi was neither with Congress nor with Kejriwal. In this, Kejriwal was supported by Mamata and Akhilesh, but Tejaswi Yadav remained neutral. But from Kejriwal's election announcement in Bihar and the previous election equation and results, it is becoming clear that if Arvind Kejriwal contests strongly in Simhanchal area, then he will directly damage India or Mahagathbandhan.